the truth against needles. How is it that we come to truth so late? That great war, its wrecks and widows? We orphans of another age, we who know nothing of gatherers from the green fields, tongue-tied without a witness. And beyond, we remember the early gnomic, he who does not know will not be known. But we know of those busy hands by the fireside, who knit a close weave, 2-ply wool, counting stitches from left to right, dropping the pearl or plain, losing the pattern under the candle's dimmering. 2 needles join again, to the squeak and squawk until the wool has done its work. In this world there'll always be one who'll strip a man his life made bare, another in a corner somewhere, knitting a new garment for him to wear.